Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to take a screenshot on PC. There are two methods to take screenshot in your PC. The basic one is you need to press your Windows key and print screen key on your keyboard at once, and a screenshot of your current window will be taken. And all you need to do is go for Paint and just paste it right there. And there's another one that I want to show you, that you can just download this sort of snipping tool or any sort of screenshot tool like me. I have downloaded this free snipping tool. You can find it for free in any browser you want, and just search for it and download it. It's free. And once you install it, you get this sort of plus sign. You can avail it by right clicking here, and you can also avail it by just pressing your print screen key on your keyboard. So once you do that, this sort of plus icon will arrive, and you just need to take some snip from here of any part of your window that you want. And yeah, you can also save it, make it a link, and copy it from here. And there's another plus point, you can also screen record from here. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.